um, it was really like the senses were really heightened, like in my car,
Right.
you know, you smell cigarette smoke or whatever, and it was odd, you know, and it was like it was just like a reminder almost for me, like that everything was being dulled down almost, right? Like it was like it was just masking a lot of just everyday things that you take for granted, like your sense of smell, you know. And so I started noticing the smoke a lot more, like when other people did it or it was around the corner. It was really interesting, but since then it's subsided, it's gone away, but it doesn't bother me anymore like it did. But it's just a year later thinking that, you know, I've tried to quit so many different times, and then just, you know, I say it's the best money I ever spent, you know.
Oh, excellent.
So it was really cool. My wife was really happy for me, and you know, my girls won't ever smell that, or you know, and know that I did that unless I, you know, obviously told them that. But it was really cool, and then I just try to share it with everybody, and you know, pass it along. That especially like people that I know that work for me, that, you know, they smoke like a pack a day, and it's like they're killing themselves, you know. So you know, I tell them about it, and we'll see if they ever follow through. But I think it was
that's great. And maybe you could just repeat a little bit what happened at the beginning. So what you said at the beginning, just in general about this.
Well, just in general, I was a little, you know, I didn't know what to expect. And then going home, I was a little, I use the word ornery, because I didn't know how to, like, I'm now having to fill my time with something different, you know. And I was like, okay, normally I'd go, maybe have a cigarette and relax and, you know, whatever. And so, you know, that was challenging. But
that lasted a day.
One day, and that was it. And then I never had any problems, you know. I've never come close to ever wanting a cigarette, even like I tested drinking, you know, because that's when people do that stuff more. That was my like trigger. And never once had that urge. And then, you know, my only thing that, like I mentioned to you earlier, was I had a dream that like I was getting close to smoking a cigarette. Never actually did, but I woke up with like, you know, not anxiety, but I was like disappointment, you know, thinking, you know, but it was more, you know, like you mentioned, fear, like, because I don't want to do that again. And it's just incredible. That's all I can say is, you know, I've tried to quit before, and
it was pretty much effortless, right?
It was one of the easiest things I've ever done, just a 2-hour session, and haven't done it for over a year.
Oh, that's great.
It's pretty cool.
Okay, thank you.